Alright, so today coming into the dentist to get a root canal. So this will be interesting. I've never had a root canal before, but I'm sure it'll be quite an adventure. This is what the average consulting room looks like. This is the little dentist doctor. I'll make you famous. In the x-ray room, getting an x-ray, a bit of consulting going on. A day in the dentist, isn't it exciting? Okay, so this is the dentist I visited, so we're finally finished. And why I chose that dentist is because I actually live up here. So what I will say is it was a very professional outfit. They done a great job. The total cost was $450 USD. And I did have another problem with another tooth that was actually it had a cavity as well, so they had to drill that out and cap that, but they were kind enough to do that at no cost for free, which is very nice of them. Don't make the same mistake I made of not going to the dentist on time, which led to me having to have a root canal. But everything was done under a local anaesthetic, so there is no pain, so don't fear going to the dentist. It's definitely not like I remembered as it was when I was a child. So all in all, yeah, I'd say the visit was as pleasant as it could be going to a dentist. But at least my tooth is fixed now. So there you go, that's just another side of China. Oh yeah, and I took, overall it took about 6 hours. And the first visit I went there, they drilled it out, but they had a bit of a problem with their x-ray machine. So I had to go back, and then they finished drilling it out because I'm a foreigner. They said actually my roots go deeper than the average Chinese person, which I found quite amusing. So that caused them a little bit of anguish at the beginning. On the third visit, I went there and they sort of cut my tooth down in preparation for my cap and took a mold of my mouth. And they sent that mold off to have the cap made, and I had a ceramic cap put in, and then on the fourth visit they just glued it back in. So that cost included everything, like all x-rays and the local anaesthetics. Every time I visited they gave me a local anaesthetic, and the molds and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I think it was reasonably well priced myself, and there you go. Take care.